After purchasing their house a few years ago, Davika and her husband eagerly removed all the old tired plans to start fresh. The only problem now was, where do we start? Not knowing what to do or how to do it meant the garden was left bare for years. It was not until Davika found our free professional garden design with Chris did she see any hope of ever finishing the garden. As Davika was selling the property, she wanted the garden to appeal to the new owner and improving the overall value of the property. Chris came up with a design that suited both the house design, the potential new owner's profile, and Davika's budget. He supplied them with a layout and an action plan so they would get the best results from their plants. Davika purchased her plants the same day and had her plants delivered for free to her door. With new soil, fertiliser and less than a day's planting, the garden was finally done, and it cost them a fraction of calling in the landscape contractors. Our garden stimulus package is now on, so get a free professional garden design, free delivery when you spend over $300, and if you spend over $1,000, get a free advanced weeping cherry valued at $300. There's no better time to get your garden started or finished. Whether it's sprucing up a small corner or the whole property to sell, we're here to help.